Welcome to Xplore IT Corp. I'm Loshmita, here front-end trainer. Okay. For creation of a web page, we include the code programming language like HTML, CSS, and JS. What about the HTML means that is a hypertext markup language for creating a content for your web page, and CSS is to be a cascading style sheet to including the design for your web page. So we create all styles, all designs by using the CSS code and all content by usage of the HTML code. Then we including a JS code for behavior for the web page, like actions. What are the actions including the web page? All things by the JS. So by the CSS, I include the I create a new logo, that is a Netflix logo, create in your web page by the CSS code. Already they create the Netflix logo by the Netflix management. So many content we create by the CSS code, all styles included on that by the colors, the style, font size, font family, all things takes place by the CSS code. By the HTML, we only include the whatever content given in this code just reflect in your web page. But CSS we just include all designs for the web page. Why? Because by the CSS colors and designs only, we just hold the web page for so many time. The traffic will be increased by the user by the how many times the web page will be viewed in your Chrome and browser. So that all things will be, the traffic will be increased by the CSS design only. Why? Because only the colors and styles will be attract for the users. We just attract for the web page, then only we hold that page and we just scroll for so many things and we get many solutions in that web page. For that holding that page, and the traffic will be increased by the case of the CSS code. The designs will be only applied by the CSS for the web page and website, and web application also we create by the language. So all colors and styles included in your web page by using the CSS code cascading style sheet. That cascading style sheet I just give an example of a recreation of the Netflix logo. By CSS code, I include the code and create a same Netflix logo, get an example. Okay, let's see. Okay, I just create a HTML page by using a HTML code, doc type HTML, document type, and including the head section for the HTML code. And by the link tag, I just including the external CSS file. So I creating another style sheet by using the file name stylenet.css. So this file will be called and linked by the link tag, link rel style sheet and hyper reference of style sheet stylenet.css by connecting this file, and href is to be hyper reference. Then I give the division class, so creating a class as a logo and call this function in this division. Okay, on CSS, I created the body selector position and including the declaration like background and color black. So I just including the background color as black in web page, and in that logo, I give the width as 150 pixel and height is 250 pixel, and box sizing is to be a division border box, and position absolute to position in the center of the page, and top position is a 50% and left is 50. Then by using a translate -50% comma -50, so I just positioning in the center of the position, horizontal and vertical. Then border right position is to be a 50 pixel and give a color like this solid brown color, and solid brown color for the left portion also. Okay, then I just including a pseudo class before. So I just including the display block and position absolute with this 50 pixel and height is to be 250 and top left is 0. So the background color will be in this color, and transforms Q is to be it just stretched to that logo, and the box shadow, the shadow of the logo is to be a X value 0 and Y value. Then blur is to be, I just including a blur portion as 30 pixel and including the black color. Now we just run this program. So we easily include the Netflix logo in web page by using the CSS properties. So the shadow will be in a dark color, and this also dark, and this is light. So it's same like a Netflix logo. So we just easily create a web page in this web page, we're including the Netflix logo by using the CSS code. Yes. Okay, we easily get the Netflix logo in our web page by using the CSS code. In another video, we just get another example of CSS, and thank you.